Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hangyodon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes with 2 large circles. And then add another small circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a large curve across. Curve it down on both ends. And close it off at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside in the center. Let's draw a curve at the bottom. And then bring it up on both ends. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and let's draw the shape of the head. From the left side, let's draw a curve up and over, stopping above the middle of the eyes. And then from the right side, let's curve it up and over, stopping here. Now to close off the head, let's draw a large bump up and then a smaller one next to it. And then inside, let's draw 2 small triangles. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop down, and on the sides of the head, let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And then add 2 lines inside each one. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. And then another curve inside for the other side of the arms. Now let's add the hands at the ends. On both sides, let's draw a curve out and back in. And then one more underneath in the middle. Now underneath the hands, let's draw a curve down. And then hop to the center and a small curve across. Now for the feet, let's draw a bump. Another larger one. And then one more, bringing it up in the center. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the details. Let's start with the bow tie at the top. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down and in, and the same on the right side. And then underneath, let's draw 3 curves across, and 2 more underneath. And that's it for Hangyodon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!